This is Honor View 20, and today I'll show how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. So to start, to make sure that you have, the SIM card or SIM cards if you want to insert two of them, and an ejection tool of some sort. It can be, the ejection tool itself, which, by the way, you should have gotten alongside the phone inside its box. So if you do not have it, or you think you do not have the ejection tool, look inside the smartphone's packaging. Or if in the end you didn't find any ejection tool, you can use a needle or perhaps the unfolded paper clip will do just fine. Now take your phone, lock the screen. On the left side of its frame, find the SIM card tray and this little hole. Now take your ejection tool and push it in. Once you will push it all the way inside, the SIM card tray is going to pop right out, so use your fingers to take it out all the way. Now align your SIM card with the slot you would like to put it in. Push it in. It goes very easily, no resistance. And now once one or both of the SIM cards are on the tray or at the tray, put it back inside the smartphone like that. And that will be more or less it. Now simply wait for SIM cards to be initialized, configure or set them up accordingly, and you are all done. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.